We live out the back of this camper van, and as some of you know, we recently got into a minor accident, but we did get it all fixed up, and we're currently about an hour away from Houston, Texas, and I've never been, so let's go check it out. So we got gas, now we're gonna get back on the road, and I'll check back in with you guys when we get to Houston. So we just made it to Houston, and we're gonna unload the bikes to ride around first. So thankfully it's not too hot, but it is really windy, so bear with me, but the city looks pretty nice so far and it's really clean. So for our first stop, we're trying La Calle tacos, so we'll see how they are. And they have a good selection of beer here. So we're at our first taco spot, and Hope got shrimp and I got chicken. So I take a bite.
Pretty fire. Pretty damn good.
So those tacos were really good. Hope's still devouring hers. But we're gonna go find another place that has other tacos and we're gonna compare them, so let's go.
So whenever we explore new cities, I love looking up food halls, and we found this one, Post Market is what it's called. Let's check it out. I was not expecting this.
Me neither. So after walking around the whole food hall, we didn't end up getting food. We ended up getting ice cream with a lavender cone. So
Let's see if it actually tastes like lavender though.
how was it?
I may have devoured it, I'm sorry guys, but it did taste like lavender. It was pretty damn good. So we've been to probably about 10 different food halls throughout the country, and this one's very big, much better than I expected it to be, and the food was pretty unique.
So now we're headed to another taco spot to see how they are. So vamos! Ay, 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 ay. All right, so up next we're at Lone Taco Co. All right, so we got the same tacos, and it has mango, shrimp, sour cream, a bunch of other stuff, whatever. But we're gonna try it and rate 1 to 10. So those tacos were good, but they weren't like super good, but they were good. They were like a 6 out of 10. All right, so we had a few different types of tacos. Now we're gonna put the bikes back on the van and drive around some more and see what else we can do. So now we're gonna stop at a brewery that has a lot of good reviews online and was recommended to us by a couple locals. So let's go. So we're here at the brewery. It's called the Walking Stick Brewing Company. So let's see what they're all about.
Hi!
We got 8 of them because they have a lot to pick from. So
It does taste good. I like limeade is a good description there.
it's good.
Yeah. APV up there?
A little hoppy, but it's good. It's very good.
What's this though? Where is it up there? Oh. Let me get the menu, guys.
He's gonna get the menu. A Castle Pale Ale.
That one they just won an award for. It is 5.1 APV.
Good. It's very good. Yeah.
Very smooth. Here's some of it. Dang it. Oh my gosh. I normally can't take a second sip of porters. That one, I couldn't finish that.
No.
I need a palate cleanser.
No.
Why?
I don't like that one. Really good, really good, really good. Kinda good.
Would you like a glass of water? Stad? How do you say that?
Beer's Stad. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's a blonde.
We're butchering it. Blonde ale. Clarify.
That one's good.
Oh, I like this one.
Not hoppy. It's a tiny bit sweet, but not too sweet. It's good.
You're terrible. Humboldt Hazy. I don't know what you're doing there. Very fuel sometimes.
This is a very good IPA. What do you think?
Yeah.
Like, really good, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Last but not least, we have the hibiscus one. I'm most excited for this because my last hibiscus seltzer was like phenomenal. So let's see how it is.
We actually have it. But don't try to get on me.
It's good. It's so good. It's not overpowering. It's not like...
It's very good. I think he's gonna get a big one of that. Give me one more sip, damn it.
That one's fire.
So they have something really unique on their menu. It's a Pico de Gallo Berliner with a ice cube that's made out of, damn it, so close, frozen. Damn it, that word just keeps throwing me off. You're gonna. It's a Pico de Gallo Berliner made with a Michelada. Michelada. See why this is like a hangover cure. Tomatoey, I get it. It's good.
I approve.
So interesting.
So they were nice enough to give us a tour, so let's go.
Let's go.
This is a really small brewery, but they're making use out of every square inch and you can taste it in their beer. And it's one of the cleanest breweries we've ever been to, and they even let us try one of their exclusive beers that haven't even came out with yet, which was really cool.
Well, hey there.
It's
There's not
good.
much
Very
left,
cool. So that was really good. They were really nice and they recommended us to go across the street. So we're gonna go check them out. So see how it is. Yeah. So they're quite literally across the street right there at that blue building there. So let's see what they're all about. All right, so this is it. It's called Great Heights. Let's see how their beer is.
Look, they have succulents inside beer cans. How cute. Hi. Thank you.
And then if you just follow the list here, and the number for the beer will be on the bottom, and that will keep you in order.
Okay, cool.
Thanks.
Enjoy.
All right, guys, so we got our beer here. We got 6 of them. Lagerish Kolsch, Miami, a Mexican lager, fruity pellets,
Which is a hazy IPA.
Blue Tile. It's an IPA. Donnie who loves
A coastal
Goldie.
IPA.
And then we have a Estelle
Stella.
Blackberry Raspberry Sour. So let's try them and we're going to rate them 1 to 10.
Oh, yeah.
Number 1, I give it a 6 out of 10. It comes with a lime, so
Easy.
we're going to squeeze a lime into it.
Well, they have some Mexican lager. And you guys know we like our Corona Lights.
Fire. 10 out of 10. And my 10 out of 10s are rough. I don't like to give them out, but fire. Super fire. Next we have the fruity pellets, which is this guy right here. So let's try it.
These.
Not for me.
No?
Not for me. I don't like fruity pellets. Not fruity about it.
Very strong.
Strong. Alright. Next we have the blue tile. I wouldn't put it in my house, but we'll see.
I think that's a dad joke there.
Donnie who loves
I
bowling.
feel like it's a very bowling beer.
If you love IPAs, that's definitely the one for you. It's very hoppy. Like on a hoppy scale from 1 to 10, it's like an 8. It doesn't taste bad, it's just very hoppy.
It is very hoppy. Holy.
Yeah. Last but not least, we have the blueberry raspberry sour.
That
So
says
let's try it out.
Blackberry, raspberry.
Blackberry raspberry sour. Let's try it out. Yeah, it's good. I give all of the beer here a 7 out of 10. If you want to combine all of them, some of them are a little better, some of them are a little worse, but I give everything a 7 out of 10.
7, maybe 7.5.
So we finished the beer, and the owners here are nice enough to bring us to the back to see how the beer is made. So we're gonna bring you guys along with us. So let's go.
Come on.
All right, let's go see how their beer is made.
So we're a 15-barrel brewery. Brew day starts in here. It's a grain room. There's not a lot of grain in there right now, but all the grain goes into that mill. It gets augered to the room next door, which is the brew house. It's a 2-vessel, 15-barrel steam brew house, 30-barrel hot liquor, RO tanks on either side of the wall. This is Taylor and Phil, our 2 brewers. So yeah, it was Friday afternoon in production at Great Heights Brewing Company.
So your beer is obviously very good. How's your canning process?
We do not have a depalletizer. We do 1 can at a time, single head, wild goose. So really, we've got 1 person on one side feeding cans, 1 controlling the like head pressure, fill speed, another guy pulling cans off the end of the line, weighing to make sure that they hit spec.
Wow. So it's very hands-on.
It's very hands-on. It really, 2 people can do it, but it's easier with 3. And we're only running 13 to 15 cans a minute.
Wow, that's still very efficient for being such a hands-on thing.
Yeah. So and we don't distribute to grocery stores. It's all in-house. A little bit goes out to some bottle shops around town, but a canning run for us is 30 to 45 cases really. So it's a 2-hour process.
How does your fermentation process work?
Well, the same as any other brewery. We fill our fermenters. We pitch our yeast. They ferment in there. Okay. The size of our cellar, we've got 5 30-barrel fermenters. They're called Dude, Walter, Donnie, Maud, and Brant. And the 15-barrel is Bunny. We're obviously big Lebowski fans. 2 30-barrel brights, 1 15-barrel bright. We do about 1,500 barrels a year.
Perfect. Donnie. Does that have to do with Donnie the beer up front?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're all characters from the Big Lebowski.
Okay, got it. They also have a private event area back here. Adorable. So you do like birthday parties?
Yeah.
Games.
Lots of birthday parties, baby showers, rehearsal dinner type things.
Baby showers, not for the mama though.
Lots of Sunday at like noon baby showers.
Adorable. I like the decoration. It's perfect.
So we just finished up and we got beer. Got beer to take with us. That was a very good vibe brewery, and we rate them a 7 out of 10. So very good. If you guys are in the Houston area, definitely come check them out. So we just parked the van in a no parking zone, but it's because we want to see this thing. We were just driving by and we saw a lot of water coming from this weird tower thingy. So let's check it out. This thing is freaking awesome. Look at how huge this thing is. What the hell? Just a random waterfall in the middle of Houston. So it's currently 11:50 at night, almost midnight. I was laying down and Hope wanted more tacos, so she woke my ass up and brought me here to get more tacos. So we're at a place called Velvet Tacos in still in Houston, but let's try these out.
We have cauliflower, salmon, which I've never heard of salmon tacos, beef, and shrimp.
Let's do it.
Daniel, it's takeout time. Come on down, Daniel.
That's good, isn't it? cauliflower.
What is up with all the cauliflower lately?